Hi, my name is Blessing, and I just passed the California Bar examination, the beast itself. You know, before this time, I was stuck in the 50s on my essays, and I couldn't get through, couldn't get breakthrough. I tried multiple bar programs, but I wasn't seeing any improvement, especially on structures, timing, and issue spotting, until I joined CA Bar Style with Hannah. Her MBA approach is tactical, yes, very tactical, and they align with adaptable style questions, huh? And what I see is that they are designed for retention, patterns, recognition, not just memorization. Her essay method is what changed everything for me. That was a game changer. It took me from consistent 50s that I was into the 70s by focusing on clear structures, rule precisions, and disciplined application. Her PT is excellent. Yes, very structured, very practical, and translate directly on exam day. Yeah, I had it was like I was still in a review class on the exam day. Yes, that's how it feels. Shana is tough and direct, but exactly that was what helped me. It helped me it improved me a lot. She identifies your weakness quickly and gives you a plan to fix them. I also want to thank Richard, the office coordinator, who was working tirelessly, to in the background to make sure that everybody gets all the material they needed. That's exactly what bar prep needs. I actually explored several programs, and I ended up coming back to Shana, and I'm glad I did, and the result speaks for itself. To everyone preparing for this California bar, choose what is good for you. Choose what likely goes for you. I strongly recommend that CA bar style will do the job for you. The program adapts to your schedule, full time, part time, non working, and it's built to address your specific weakness. Thank you, Shana, and I am Richard, and I'm grateful for the guidance. And to everyone studying, stay disciplined and trust the process. She will always say, trust the process. Now I believe her, trust the process. I followed everything. If you follow everything if you follow all the assignments, even if you don't fully follow, say if you do up to like 80%, if you do like 80%, I'm telling you, be conversant with everything you meet in the exam. There's nothing, there's nothing. Although some surprises may spring up, but everything you need to pass will be there. I can assure you. That's what happened to me. And I wish you all the same. Yes, I wish you success, and I wish you to be with me on this other side also. I want as many people to pass like me. Yes, thank you so much.